Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Raviana, and today I have a wig unit set from Megalook Hair. They were nice enough to send me over this pre-highlighted wig unit in 26 inches. This is also a body wave texture, if I'm not mistaken, and a 13x4 lace frontal wig unit. This wig unit also came pre-cut, meaning that it did not have any additional lace. It was already cut for me, so all I had to do is go ahead and glue it on. So you guys will definitely see that further along in the video. But this wig cap construction does not have any combs in it, nor does it have any of the built-in adjustable strap. You guys know what I mean, like it comes hooked already in the back. But it does come with the one where you can hook this one in the inside, and I don't know if I have that one on. Oh, I do have it on. So I do have it on, you guys. However, this is a big head friendly wig unit. Right now, I do have a braid down for my foundation, so I don't have any hair out, nor do I have a low ball, because usually that's how my hair is, but I decided to get my hair braided up. So I do have my braids in, and this is a big head friendly wig unit. It also doesn't have any combs or anything like that. It literally is just holding on by this here. So also, I decided to give myself some layers. Again, this is a 26-inch wig unit. However, I did cut it down here at the bottom. I took about 3 inches off. You guys will see that in the video as well. And then I layered it here in the front, I believe on both sides. I actually really like what I came up with, you guys. The layers are really pretty. I actually love the blend of this wig as well. Something that I noticed with this wig unit is that the knots came very small. I don't know if you guys know, but some of these wig units, the knots come really, really big, you guys. But this one, the knots are very small. So I also went in and bleached this as well on my own. I have been experiencing some shedding with the wig unit, you guys, and this is the brush that I've been using for my wig. Again, it is a bleached wig, you guys, so you are going to experience some shedding. And this is also, yeah, this brush as well. I used this yesterday. As for the packaging, it comes in this satin baggie. It says Megalook Hair. And then the inside, I got these goodies. So I have a baby hair wrap, eyelashes, edge brush, a wig cap, and a hair clip. That's it. We'll do some loose curls because I don't have time to curl all this hair. No. All this hair. No. I'm also going to go ahead and take some Shine Mist and spray this all throughout the hair. This hair is freshly washed. Which I'll probably end up cutting this anyway because I see some long pieces. Yeah, it might look like I just sprayed a lot of oil in my hair, but listen, okay? Listen to me. This is a lot of hair. It's a very full wig unit. Straight onto my head. This wig does not have any combs, so yeah. I'm about to go ahead and cut into my ear tabs.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're always just stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we others' opinions, to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it, if you're sinking or swimming, existing or living. Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So
I just wanted to cut the end straight across. I didn't want that kind of hair. So I probably cut off like 3 inches. I'm about to blow dry.
could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end?
This is the next morning, you guys. I was filming the video when it was like getting darker outside, so the sun was going down, and I don't like to film my videos with this lens when it's getting dark because it started looking jinky. So anyways, I ended up going to sleep with my hair like this. It has a clip in the back, and yeah, so I'll probably have to refresh my curls. So I'll be using this T3 micro curler. You guys know that I use this in pretty much all of my videos. I was sent this in PR and I've just been using it ever since. So you guys know that it's interchangeable, and I always like change out my little wands here. But today I'm using the biggest wand that is given, and I'll try to link this down below. I know that they are basically updating their products, and new products have come out, so I actually think that these are actually on sale right now. So anyways, this is how I went to sleep. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take my clip out and brush out my curls, because I probably, wait, my curls might still be there. My curls might still be there, and I don't have to do my hair. I don't know. So I'm gonna use this brush. Yeah, Tingle Teaser brush.
We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want.
And then I have a flip over situation. I did not want my hair to be parted. I don't know, I didn't really plan on curling them or doing anything to the baby hairs, you guys. I was just trying to cut off as much blonde as I could at an angle, because I hate when my baby hairs are blonde. Like, I hate that. So, I don't know, I was trying to cut it off at an angle so that all you can see is black. Again, I did not do the whole parting situation, but I am going to go ahead and part my hair for y'all so that y'all can see how far this goes back for the parting. So this is how far it goes back on the side. I'm gonna do the middle for you all. Okay, this is how far back it goes. This is pretty much how I want my hair to go. I did see yesterday that I could have cut some layers on this side, so I think I'm gonna go in today and just go ahead and cut in some more layers on this side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with this curler, and I always curl my hair going back.
Somehow you think that you needed others' opinions to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it, if you're sinking or swimming, existing or living. Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt. Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head.